Have a look, yeah. I want you to study him. Just have a look. It's his first day in, so I ain't said much to him, just giving him the basics, but I want, look at it this way, I wouldn't slide on to him without putting any fucking pads on. One big, oh shit to myself behind there. And he don't play for no team or anything. He's a football goalkeeper. Nice and relaxed and now shadow out your trigger. Do you have a trigger? You just forgotten it. Yeah, do it 3 times because you didn't have a trigger that time. So the difference, it's got your lips, hasn't it? What was the one before you were gnarly? One thing was lip. Yeah, shadow. That's the only fucking thing that's going to help you when you're in a match, Kevin. Don't fucking chat to people. That's how I keep getting out. I've realised when I'm back now from this season, I'm going to stay shut the fuck up. That's how I never got to a century, because I fucking think it's a game show. Good. So give yourself more room. So now reset your trigger. Start from wider, a bit like JC. Might be a big boy thing. But don't forget, you're a big boy, you need more room. Would you agree? Yeah. Look down and check if you're actually going to come across to recalibrate. Solid, hold, get your heel down. The back heel, yes. Your whole up and help you. Good, Kevin. Yeah, get it down, and then you know you're going too early. So if the back heel comes out, it means your hands going too early.
I'm overstride.
That's it, because your hands are making you overstride. Does that make sense? So you've got to say, hands stay still, hands stay still. You know the ultimate cheat code is let the ball pitch, then move your hands. I think everything else is now automatic, so try that, and now just let the ball pitch, then move your hands. See that? How much time you had? Even though the ball pitched about a foot away from you, that bat fucking came down in time, didn't it? More room. Did you notice? You're massive, Kevin. It's not me being a rude bastard. Okay, I'll tell you, go wide, really wide. Now from there. Okay, the night sounds a bit wild right now. I just want you to figure out how much room you need. At the moment this is our laboratory, so we test the biggest parameters, then make it into a smaller, manageable one. See, you put me off already. Let's do that again. Set it back up and just get used to coming from so wide. So do one at least by the time I get up there and polish the ball. Sorry about that, sir. It's alright, just a bit early. Yeah, so now shadow out the trigger, and then it'll be automatic, and the only thing that's not automatic is letting the ball pitch. Your hands are too hard and too early. Yeah, so now your only focus is on hands and letting the ball pitch. Keep them still. Yes! Genuinely watching there, innit? Yeah, don't be wafting at that with you. Just that moment allows you to know that, oh, watch it. Can't play cricket, but you can't bat without watching the ball. You can't play cricket without watching the ball. You have your teeth knocked out. Solid. Too early. Yeah, but that's as a result of going too early. Forget thinking back foot right now, because you're thinking back foot. Only think, let the ball pitch, and then move my hands. Because it's like waiting for a bush, you could be waiting forever, but you have to get on it once the bus is there. So now, let the bus get to you. Next one, see your hands. It's your hands on it. So now you've got to say, let the ball pitch. It's like meditation.
My hands are going.
Yeah, so just keep saying it. That's all I do. I say, let the ball pitch, tap, let the ball pitch. I'm like that. I'm saying it in my head. And people wonder, like, I don't know, I've got concentration when I'm back. It comes from meditating. Meditation just means oneness. You have one plan. It's alright, next one. Nothing wrong with that. What's good is those false movements. Oh, it's still at the top. Not that, there. Just there, yeah. Good. See how much room you did need? Yeah? Because you only just got there in front. That's why now, because a big trigger is not a bad thing. You know what I mean? But it's got to feel comfortable is the key.
Make sure I don't over trigger as well.
Well, you'll know that from doing the reps. Good. Now straighten your foot. Yes. Again. Otherwise you'll fall over your foot. Watch, Kevin. We'll take that. We'll do that. So I'm going to test now. You're going to trigger and then set. And then I want just a tiny little toe twinkle here to remind you to go forward. That's what I'll use. So trigger, then I'll go. I don't look down and do it. See that? That's a preset on the trigger. So now I'm going to quickly do something that I've got a favour in this morning. I need fucking hit the back pass before. So, have you wondered why I'm so quick? Have you ever watched my back in the details? Where are you from? I don't think, you know I've given you the cheat code what? Digital. Yes, the dirty one. I don't know why the motherfuckers, whoever invented the game, say stay, stand like this. Either if you watch me, I'm already set. Me and him are already set. Yeah? We're not here. All we are is here. Where do the baseballers wait? Do they wait like this? Or do they wait bang and then transfer? Liam Livingston, how does it go? He drops. He goes, ow! Knees. Yeah, but you see what I'm trying to say? Yeah. Start, so like when you trigger, I just want you to go like this, here, and then here. So watch, it's here, here, and here. And if you want, you can try a trigger, just that is my trigger. Does that make sense? Depends what you want to try. Because you know I've got a bunch of solutions. Yeah. You just got to try that. You're just running software. You know what I mean? If you think about it, we're just trying a little bit of science, isn't it? So just shadow that out so I can have a look at it. Yes. What if you feel comfortable just going straight into it, that's good. The way I do it is I'll go across, then open. Does that make sense? That's fine, that's coming naturally, I will work with that. Because we have to go on instinctive behaviour. See, you know we don't play those type of shots because your fucking foot don't move. It's true though, so now you learn little things, yeah. That's a preset. However, the downside to that preset, guess, you can end up planting. Okay, that's why I say keep the toe loose on the front. Like that. Then come in a bit closer. My body's not doing it today.
That's fine.
Struggling. But I've been doing this for like 2 hours today already. Next one. That one you have to get out of the system anyway. Mistakes is a learning opportunity. You know that's a bonkers bonus. That's it. Because if you think, I've been going body, and then you throw one out there for that intention. Good. Wow. I don't mind that. Yes, heel down. Good. Excellent. Keep it better there, isn't it? And did you notice that you didn't have to rush that because you've already preset? Yeah. The preset is dangerous. Don't be giving that one away too much, Kev. Because you've got to beat a few people. Do you know what I mean? Good. Now set it up again because you study the pattern where the ball was. Fine, because you can find you. Because you want to leave that open for your back to come through. You don't be standing in it. So you trigger 2 leg stump. Yeah? Only 2 leg stump. Don't stand on the stump once you're across. Good. See that how your back came through straighter and cleaner? Do not stand on the stump, skip it. That's the key. I'm just teaching you so you know, yeah. The volume's on.
If if I stand on the floor, it's going to be...
I'll start your system soon because everybody forgets their shit, including you. You know what I mean? Including me, because now why I need the system is because when I come in, I know what your trigger is. I don't know what everybody's trigger is. And I should know it.
Some people like got a trigger, but...
No, most people have a movement. You don't just stand there. There is some form of subtle movement before you play it. Well, this is what I'm trying to say. So like everybody's got a trigger movement. It doesn't have to be foot necessarily. Good, clean, how much room on the room? Because you're a big boy and you've got width here. So you've got to then use the things of that and think, fucking hell, if I occupy that much room, I'm going to need that much room. And then you can't go by the conventional manual of a setup, can you? Next one, sir. Got excited, it's fine.
I think in my head, it's in 4. Then I let it pinch.
Yeah, you fell in love in the air.
What's the big
Easily done. I've done it as it's almost. What? Get big. That's a serious one. Why didn't you hold it, you little cousin? Hold it, mate. That was fucking something else. Good, Kev. Hold, yeah, hold. Kev, you need to hold for 3 seconds. Is that alright? Because you know what? You know what else me and you need to cultivate? Stillness of the mind. Just for that moment when we hit it, there is a stillness. Why not extend the stillness by holding, and then we know what stillness is? Stillness is not a word. Stillness is a process.
Give your muscles memory.
Yeah, of stillness, isn't it? And you're right about the muscle memory because it reinforces the shape. Oh, it's just blood clot. That's done a fair bit, Ken. I think you come down a bit late, a little bit late. I think that's gone, right? I think so. It'll be interesting to check that. Well, it's not full track. I'm using it on because I've put the bat sensor on just to see what your max bat speed is today. Don't get too far. Does it fell out? Does it just fell out? Come, run up here. James Bond cricketer. A good zone here now, Ken. All you got to do is hold. Everything else is autopilot, but autonomic. So you would stops. Yeah, so your shadow should be. Hello, Zane.
Let's go then, brother. You just go first, straight up,
Yeah, so you know, pick your. Solid, getting heel down. Yeah, short to stride then. Short to stride. I think that's what it is. You might be right, it might be the open stride that's pulling your heel out rather than hands. It's, yeah, your whole head. So now just go into just point each way. Yeah? Because don't forget you've got reach in the hands anyway, haven't you?
Yeah, I've got these.
Yeah. So let's go with less stride, more reach with the hands. Oh yes, you get man. Just move that a little bit too much, like that. Yeah, it's decent because it's going to be opposite of the last one.
There's one jagged away, that one jagged.
Solid, okay. Straighten the foot, even more, and then get outside because you've got those lines down there. What I'm going to do for you, you quickly do me a favour. You've got, okay, you've still got about 18 minutes left. Come here, Kevin. Take your gloves off. If you want to take your helmet off, you can now.
What we're going to do is we're going to make that restriction. Very important that we do that. You know, before we start,
have a look through and we'll see. Then we should.
You must have had a lot of your pain,
Yeah.
your bowling arm.
Is that alright?
Let's start with this.
I was going to do something. What was I going to do, Kev? Oh, yeah, sure.
A bit more energy on the ball, yeah.
Just a bit early.
Yeah.
Just a tiny bit early. And now, did you feel what I said? Plant. When you planted.
Good.
Yeah. So be ready to go. One. Even if you need to go again and again. Keep the front toe loose. Just what I said to you, call it a toe trigger. Just wiggle it a bit. Just wiggle it a bit. And you'll feel that it's like a, you know, we have a trigger for like different things, innit? Because we have loads of different triggers in badminton from our hands. Does that make sense? So what I'm saying, have a, just for now, feel that toe, front toe, wiggle. Sure, you had a toe radar the other day, didn't you?
Now we've actually got our action. Now focus on how we're going to hold the ball.
Good, you're accessing it, see where you're doing. These lines are making me have to speak less in. Because I thought I was going to go mad. When the white gloves come, get me, Kev. You'll have to see me at the home. Or is it called an asylum? I think it's an asylum. Batman. We'll go Batman. Shot it in! Beautiful, mate. Too early though. If you wasn't that early, I reckon you'd have nailed me, brother. Come on, mate. See if you can knock the leg off.
So how
That's
would
a leg
you
off.
turn this ball? Is it a turn? Or get this right?
Yes, those lines are helping access, isn't it? Yeah, those three, they were lines from there. They were lines. Good, Kev. Get the heel down. Beautiful. Beautiful. And what I want you to start with a little bit of manner. A check shot. It's a check shot. When the ball gets moving, you have to check it on wristing. Does that make sense? There's no one you can one.
Just give it that.
No, watch. It's a check shot. It's a check shot. You go here and then there. Show me that. No, watch the back comes through. Yeah. So let's go and do that again. Because that can be next week on the phones. I'll send you the link for the phone. I'll show you at the end. What you've got to do here and then check. Yes, no, but don't turn it. Don't turn it. Just check. It's for a one. It's for a safe one. Yeah, but finish. Look where my hands are finished. Yes, but yeah, your hands are going to finish here. See, it's going to be down here. Hands like that. Does that make sense? So look, you'll make contact here. You go bang, and then the hands finish here. Yes,
Why does it do the one? You better go now.
Yes. Yeah. But that we're going to work on stay finishing with the Daniel one. Okay, after you've done, wow, at least you're going thorough with the stretches. After you've warmed up, you'll have a few at our kid. And then I'll put the full track on. But no cons, no nothing to see what you remember. Yeah?
Now.
More movement, less pain. Yeah, it's getting there.
Was MRI okay?
Yeah.
I don't know, I had the MRI,
Okay.
but as the NHS is.
Yeah, I've done. Good boy. Mate, perfect.
Next one, too early? Yes.
Okay, now. Do the exact same thing. Bit of a throw, yeah?
Have you still got 8 minutes, alright?
Yeah, I've done. And again, excellent. Mate.
So, what I want you to do is,
Don't forget
Kevin,
that like
this
this.
is what I want you to do.
Don't
Get across before the bowler reaches, including me. So get across and set. So this is called set. Yeah, because you're going, boom, boom, and then straight away. There's no stillness of head position.
Yeah,
so what you do, activate the trigger. Now, set.
Yeah, boy.
Does that make sense? This is what I'm saying. Later at home, we're going to go here, then it gives you a midway trigger, rather than feeling complete, because we trigger because we don't like being still.
Yeah.
You know, I know it's trying to, yeah, so it's trying to find the equilibrium Does that make sense?
Strength.
So now you set them
Yeah,
on.
not bad.
But you look down. You should look down when you trigger across. You gotta look this way and then trigger.
Good.
Yes.
Three watch now.
Oh, that's good a fair bit. That's good a fair bit.
What's it?
Yeah, boy.
You on the front foot? If anything, do it as soon as you got across. Because you're still like jumping around, in my opinion. Have to be still when I release.
Good.
There, you have to be still when I release, yeah?
Good accuracy, upload. Excellent, mate. Right now, small jump. Just
Good.
maybe foot, but now we're there. Okay? Small jump. We want to land it where we're here. Then we go.
My bad. But then, you ready to go?
Good.
You got that ball?
Top of the
back? Inside, outside?
No,
It's just literally
We're back to that old.
Okay, give me a second, yeah. I'll get the ball with it, we'll give you back.
Down. We're up, forward down. Show me again. Hold it. Okay, okay.
So you'll be all of them in the wire sheet. So look here, this. That's me. Yeah? I'll look at it. Okay. Now which side you're gonna ball from? Is any of this stuff in the leg? Are you sure? Okay. So start off, jog. Don't go wild because you've got a batter in there. Shot, Kev. It's a great start. Slightly fuller now, yeah? Because you know, when you start off your innings, you just want to, you know where you get rhythm from? All of us, from the fuller ball. Do you think you get rhythm from bowling short? You don't, do you? I think it's an agreement that we get rhythm from bowling full. So now bowl it full, but watch him hitting it back, but don't fear.
Yeah. This ball will say
Better! See the respect he gave you there? Difference, isn't there? And don't forget to say well played, mate. Because we got to cultivate respect, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hold on, guys. I need to now set up full track.
We're not finishing.
One second, because I've got to just set this correct. Because you may, because this goes on to, because I'm now what you're going to set you guys up with a VLE, a virtual learning environment, because everybody forgets their own trigger. How can that bloody be?
You get more pace like that.
No, but it's true. It's a joke.
What motion is not?
But it's on me. I've got to now come up with make this like a bloody academic subject. Teach it like one.
You can see when we're doing that, you're getting fairly confused with your feet. It's just your feet that are confused with this one. You're doing it. Here, take it up to 11. Make the front leg forward.
Not that scary.
Yeah. Here. Lift that forward. Hold it.
Nice and relaxed. What did you feel on that? So, tell me, what are the fundamentals of your action and what did we learn last week?
I want that.
There was a left pocket finish, but what's the reasoning behind this? What does this line up?
Just the top.
Okay, so I'm going to remind you, okay, because this is quite important. You know, like I gave you the cheat code, watch pitch the ball.
Yeah.
For bowling, a line, and I say line, length is slightly different. Yeah? So even if your head drops, you change your length. Kind of watch carefully, you finish with that in the right pocket, yeah. So we go here, what does it align? Shoulder. Look, so I've gone from this side, watch my feet and this will still be there. What have, and look, see where I've gone? From this side to this side. Yeah? You got to realise this is quite complicated, and as soon as you get it, it's not that complicated. So we start chest to the right, and then once you fold it, I want it fully to the left, but head forward. Okay, so how much swinging as well. Better! Good, Kev. So as you can see, it's Kevin, a good length. It's not good length, is it?
Yeah.
You see, because it depends on where different people bat in the order. This is why I think when they say good length, what they're talking about, they should go in deeper to the tactics as per that.
Now you're at full 22 yards. yards here. Let's see.
Ball better, but still nowhere near what I asked you. You got 3 balls before I take you off in one captain, innit? I know somebody else on the team that will do what I ask, and this is just what's going to happen in this. Not me being an asshole, okay? This is me telling you what would a captain, because captains recognising what we need to bowl. Can you bowl that ball for me? Get it up to his feet. Yeah? Well, ball better, but I want it fuller. Because now, you see the tides have changed.
We're going to build.
Yeah, even though it was one wide,
I'm still going to build more a bit more. That's the way we're going to train, the way we're training now.
So listen, stay there, but try to go fuller. How do we go fuller then? Is it, are you releasing too early or too late? Because remember, your alignment was covered by
Don't change,
the side on action.
I know when I say
correct?
it, you end up
Yeah.
doing other things.
How do we do that? Because
We
you
want
want
to
to
keep
release
this.
still too early or
Just
too
we're
late.
not. That's it.
You're holding onto the ball, that's why it's shorter. Yeah, see why we have to explore early or late in terms of bowling? I think you're fully getting in batting, isn't it? And that's why your batting's growing quicker. So now, release a little bit earlier, tiny bit earlier. It's going to be weird. Watch out for the beamer because we're messing with something here.
Yes, that's the one. Can we get it fuller now? Can we get it fuller? We can.
Next one, son. We'll go back to rhythm and then once, because we've got the extra time, it's only just still 1 minute to your official
Accuracy, mate.
Don't rush.
In the 15th,
Go
you're
back
going
to
to kids.
rhythm, but we've got to see how important it was for us to discover the fact that you've got to learn release points. We won't do that, okay, we've got a batsman down now. Okay, so now just find your rhythm again. Yeah, because you have
They get you balls, we're going to take the kids. Guaranteed.
Shot, helicopter big man. Nothing wrong with that ball. Nothing wrong with that ball. Yeah? But as you know, Kevin's a different type of fish, isn't he? You see a big man with a helicopter? Square cut. So now listen.
Breathe out.
Listen. But when you try to bowl somebody, like, what's the downside? We have to put that inside in. Should we be patient? You just say it's only one shot. Yeah, it's only one shot. Bowl it again, same place. You see where we've got options? But I'd say let's, instead of trying to chase it, ball, great cricket, boys. Now you're building rhythm quite well, so we'll stay with rhythm
Finishing
for now. Because, oh, a lot of respect for you. That's really good. Stay in that rhythm because we've got to look for repeatables anyway. Don't rush. Don't rush. Pops was telling you something important, man. He observed you all day. You've got to just relax, yeah. You know what I mean? Look how chilled out you're all, mate.
Could just be here.
Ball. Good, Kev.
Let's just see how you naturally do it first, yeah.
Stay in rhythm, yeah. Stay in rhythm. Okay, nothing wrong with that.
We get some pace. Let's see if we can
You don't chase because he's hit a
You
few.
get that.
So what we do is we
without
go back on square. Is he driven you in front? Yeah. No. So we take one bloke out of there. Yeah. Because as you bowl down there, this is what I'm trying to get you to there. So who do we pull out? You can't pull out unless you want to. But I think like this is going to have that count. You pull out.
Oh, so we get to the crease.
Yeah. Okay, so you pull out square leg, put him out, yeah, and then bring him round. I've got to get. I'm sorry that I'm taking time with this, but you've got to start learning to place your fields. Do you know what I mean? Because you've still got 2 slips in the gully and point.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you've got a deep square.
Let's go.
Deep square, Kev. Oh, what ball?
Go back to your
Probably still adrenaline from the last few shots, Kev.
A little bit.
Yeah, I reckon. I know someone might not high, but you know it, man.
When the run's coming out, it's confusing you a little bit.
Yeah, so you do it, feel it, rather than think it. Great response from that. So, the only thing now that's missing at the moment, like such small steps, you want you to look like you look like you're scared to run. Remember, you've got to generate if this run up is too short, because you're going to need a longer run up like that, I feel. Yeah? We'll test that when we got outside spacing. You know what I mean? Run the ball, you jump right here and then run it. Don't worry about the front line. Okay, because you're still holding back on me. Let's go again. Now, give me this. Yeah, put it on the floor for now. We'll do it on the next one.
This is where you run up.
Let the ball pitch, son.
This.
Better. See the difference? You're holding back. Kevin, that one flowed through more, eh? Yeah. Don't hold back. Yeah, that was beautiful. We needed rhythm. Because first and foremost, we had to go through the technical pointers. And luckily, he's still going to get extra time back in today because we're only 3 minutes into official lesson. Set and breathing, stillness,
Setting
quiet,
right leg.
gaining, catching. You run through the line. Don't stop the line.
Get it? So this time when you run,
Better! Good, you're running through the line. Better. You still look like your body language suggests you're still worried about this line. Okay.
I'm a genius.
Don't wait to worry about the line. More of anything, let's get a jump.
Okay, let's go.
Do you know what I mean? Because I still want to jump out of you. I reckon you're going to give me a beautiful jump too. I think you're going to be a long jump specialist. I've got a feeling. Certain kids I can just tell by the spring they've got spring in it. Yeah?
Hold that leg. No. The run up's not the strength.
Ball! I'm good, Kevin. Nothing wrong with that. One or two. My man can run around, Eddie. You know what I mean? Shots.
All bucket up like that. Yes, Abdul. Good boy.
Patience, mate. What you'll notice with cricket, it's a game of patience between you and him. Because you've not really won him over too long.
Yeah. Just if I get my timing right, you don't have to do such a quick run up. Like you use. Like I'll show you where I ball, yeah? You stand here. I don't run in.
Wow!
And what I do.
Polygon runs, because we ain't set anybody out for that.
Lock it
Hold,
in.
keep it there.
Lock it in
It's
my
a moral
pocket.
victory. Shot. Yeah, good, Kevin. Love that respect, brother.
3, 4. And I have to do the crease, I'll go.
Yeah.
1,
So
2,
keep it
3.
there. Have you dropped in
There.
next side in the last 6
Try that.
Let's keep to this then. We might be on our repeatables. Ingredients, we've been asked after them. Now you
Yes.
keep them, retain them.
See,
Let's go.
when you do it like that, you're more locked into your target zone, isn't it? You're actually all over the place. Go again.
Bowling! Well bowled. That's gone pretty high up, you know.
Hold
ain't
on the rope foot then, yeah?
it? Maybe. Well, maybe. Let's not worry about massively about weaknesses at the moment. I think you work on your
Good boy.
little pitch.
Yeah.
And you keep to your repeatables. Because now you see this is a game of patience, isn't it? Kevin needs to work on his patience. Yeah. Alright, Kevin. Just be honest. God's honest truth, innit? Yeah. Okay, so give him the respect now, he's in that rhythm. Yeah, because it's ups and downs.
Yes, yes, yes.
Good. But that, your feet, your stride. I want you to stride. Stride. Toes on in the air, let's run together, back up there. Not that problem if you're ready. Come on, show me. See, look at you, stride. Stride longer. Yes! I know it feels weird, but you're going to have to learn to stride longer. But you do it. Hello? Yeah? So, I need a little bit more strength. You need to become a racehorse, brother. Son, I need you to straight. I think I'm going to have to put the back in. You're in a beautiful rhythm now. And you're taking some serious slack from me. But, stride, man. Yeah, I want you in the air more. Okay. I think you're going to have to start doing 1K, 2K, 3K. See, you know what I'm trying to say? Because you got long legs. Taller than me, you're in 14, kid. Come on. Better. Better strides, better strides. I'm not concerned, I've messed up your rhythm, but I don't care right now. You have technical training and how you run is technical. Yeah? Because then soon, you've got YouTube, you can look how sprinters run. You only need to watch it once or twice and you'll be like, alright, there's a science to sprinting.
You're all ready.
Don't think about the run.
Either you haven't bowled in so many years, so that night it's going to be a bit hard.
Bold! Okay. Nice and relaxed now, yeah? Because you were helicopter square cutting a minute ago. I'm going to put it down to concentration fatigue because you've been batting 40 minutes now. Does that make sense? So you know your top end of your concentration is 30 minutes. So then that's why I suggested the 1 hour next time, but we've got to find a time slot for that, isn't it, Kevin? Yeah? So then you have to time yourself. How many unforced errors in an hour? Oh, Vedant! Vedant, you put your brakes on? You're supposed to be running down to Kevin and calling him names?
Okay.
Yeah?
So,
So you're running down
to the
more.
back.
Yeah, and
No,
look
but
at
this-
it.
just so
Yeah,
you
it's like,
can
come on,
representation.
this is like a psychological game.
Our aim by the end of this is to keep it up to try.
Okay, let me have a look at how many you might have bowled.
Our aim is to do 1 bout obviously.
Still not enough.
Build strength for this off. It's never bowled before. We only started bowling before about 3 days ago.
Alright, okay. You've probably felt some repeatable game, man. Obviously not ready.
No, my runner.
You're a repeatable game, man. Bowling! Good. That's your first proper one at the stumps, isn't it? Yeah. Let's see if you've got a sniff of a wicket there. Come on. Yeah, come on. Because that's an ingredient. Yeah, that was a feeling attached to when you get it there, attacking the stumps. Because the fast bowler, every now and then, to get, well, not every now and then, to get rhythm, get it up the track. That was a good up the track ball. Bowling with that, not bad. So you know it's because you drifted. It hasn't gone leg side, but it's fallen into a little bit of a. Yeah, because we took the bloke out and put him over there. Remember? You're back in, so we can pull him back and put him back at mid wicket. Oh, square leg. We pulled out square leg, didn't we?
Yeah.
So remember your field. You've got to really chant your field out so you know where you're bowling. Otherwise, you just go autopilot, yeah. And a game and a net, two different things, mate. You get rogered in a game if you don't get your tactics right. Faulty tactics. Wow, not bad there. Not bad, Kev.
Is that Johnny in disguise, is it?
Get it, Kev. It's all right. Light in your hands. Wait longer. Are you back in? Okay, I just won. Top 6 deliveries. Okay, but you've got to give me all. I still think you're putting brakes on.
Okay.
You are? Not okay, but it's true, you are. Let's run through, brother. Run through it. You've got 6 more balls and you can recover while you pad up. Right, 2. Better, a lot better. You're still holding back. Yeah, see, we know he's holding back, isn't it? Yeah. It's because it's coming in. Like, he ain't got, it's like he's not hungry. Where's your hunger, boy? Did you eat before you came out? You have to starve him there, put him on a bus. Okay, hunger. You want that with you? Better! Because you had the helicopter have to check that, didn't he? Well done, Kev. You know what? Lovely base. Now feel that, repeat that now that you got it locked. Do it a few more times. Why not? When we say how valuable is a rep, the shadow, you know it, brother. This is a martial art, man. Your shadows are everything for refinement. How many balls? 4? Yeah. Okay, now run at it. That was more like it. Looked a little hungry. Now you won his wicket. Don't worry about your state. Yeah?
Because I want
Alright, let's run.
just to build a bit more strength. You have to bowl.
Bowling, and he had to check that, didn't he? Well done, Kev.
Doing that is just to show you.
So what you found is a reset of concentration. It wasn't even a technical thing, was it? It was a psyche thing. Zen. 3. 3 to come.
What you got?
Yeah, see, he's urging you on to be a bit, yeah?
That's it.
We'll take that. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. So don't think that's why he's left. He's smart. He's actually got back into rhythm. Because otherwise, if he gets flashed with that, we know we've still got a chance to do. Because in theory, you're going for a draw, yeah. Two to come. Bowling! Bowling! That one's tailed, isn't it? Wow, finally got that ball doing something. Because that ball, we should have worked it. That was another thing. Sorry. But now you get to see. See if you can do that again, son, because that was magic. Get forward, not sideways. Yes, so run through. That's what I mean by run through. Run, keep running at him after you released it. Yeah, rugby this is. There we are. He ran at him then. Yeah. I like you sometimes. Yeah. What was the difference? Come on, one more run back because you actually ran at him that time for the first time, didn't you, Kev? That was his first proper baller. After how long? Kev, we might have to set you up on this lesson with him to back into each other.
Yes, perfect. There we go.
Shot. Finish on that, boys.
Pretty good. That's your best one so far.
You're running through more, but I don't want to break you. Because I'm going to realise that the more you bowl. Okay, do you mind if we bowl? Just yours, so you can have a look at your swing. Yeah? Because then next week you show him a your swing work. Is that right? Because he tailed one, didn't he? I didn't think he'd be like tailing that. But don't give Kevin that ball, because that's gold dust, kid.
Yeah, it's not in the grass right now.
Easy,
Perfect.
Kevin.
That's a good ball.
Don't you, mate?